Hello, today I will demonstrate how to create and use functions in Scratch. A function is simply a block of code that can be called over and over again. Functions save you from building the same block of code multiple times. They're easier to modify by changing it in one place instead of many, and they're easier to debug. Here we see a block of code that causes Scratchy Cat here to jump and run. When we execute it, we see that Scratchy Cat says, "I love to jump and run." It jumps, runs, then says, "I really love to jump and run," jumps, and runs again. So within this code, there's some repetitive parts. So we're going to break out these parts into individual functions. So to create a function, go over to My Blocks and say Make a Block. Here we add a block name. We'll call one of them jumping. We'll go ahead and click OK. And we see that this new define block shows up in our code. So move that out of the way. We'll go ahead and make our other function. We'll call it running. Alright, so now that we have these two functions, we need to actually define what they do. In this case, the jumping is controlled by this change in Y up and down. So we want to take this block out of here and move it into the jumping function. So we'll move this over here, and now we've defined what jumping is. Now we need to define what running is, which is just this block here where we change the costume a little bit and move forward in the X direction. So move that over here. So now running's been defined. Now we need to actually use these functions within our code. So to do that, you simply drag on this one. It calls to the definition of jumping, and then we drag on running. That calls the definition of running. So again, those functions are repeated down here. So we'll move those out of the way, and again call the definition for jumping and the definition for running. Then we can get rid of these blocks of code here, which is just jumping and running. So now we've created two functions called jumping and running and called them in our main block of code. And when we execute it, we'll see that it executes this main block of code calling both of these functions. And that is how you use functions in Scratch.